Riley, what is your tail doing?
He's so happy. Maybe we should cut that tag off. Oh, well.
You ain't getting that back.
To get the bear away, but he's going to pull the tags off. I know you, Riley. I know you. What if I exchange you, the bear, for a bacon shoe?
Oh.
Would that be an acceptable trade, Riley? Now, you can't have both. You have this, you can't have the bear. Give me the bear, you get the